coming into view for everybody. Over here on the left-hand side, you're going to see an old stone building there with a sloped brick roof. And this is actually the old City of London School for boys. Although it's the old school, many grades have been to this school over the years. There's actually 4 statues of great students in the school just underneath that green roof. I'm going to name these students now left to right. That first one we see up there is Francis Bacon. That second one is William Shakespeare. That third one is Isaac Newton. And then that fourth one is David Beckham. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm just joking because David Beckham never went to school. The bridges in front of us now are the Blackfriars Bridges. First one is Blackfriars Road Bridge. They actually say it's this point of the River Thames where the river water meets the seawater. So ladies and gentlemen, with that in mind, as we approach the road bridge, both sides of the boat, on the stone columns there, at the very top of the stone columns, you'll start to notice inland river birds carved into the top of the stone columns. Like I say, both sides of the boat. You can see the inland river birds carved into the top of the columns there. But on the lower side of the bridge, carved into the columns, there's seagoing birds. So this side we have inland river birds, lower side of the bridge it's seagoing birds carved into the columns, and that's just to represent this part of the River Thames where they say the river water meets the seawater. So ladies and gentlemen, I say as we do come out the other side, don't be shy to turn your heads, and you'll see the seagoing birds carved into the columns on the lower side of the bridge. Like I say, that's just to represent this part of the River Thames where they say the river water meets the seawater.